So categorical versus categorical variables, how do you uh, draw the visualization? There are multiple methods. We will discuss 2 3 methods, and you can stick to the one that you like the most. The first one is you can introduce the new category in terms of the color. So here I have yes or no as the target variable. That means people who have purchased the insurance or not purchased the insurance. This is one categorical variable, target variable Y. The other categorical variable is education. Education has 4 categories: secondary, tertiary, unknown, and primary. Now, within each of these category, earlier in the bar chart, I used to draw only one bar. Now what I'm trying to do within this bar, how much is yes, how much is no, I'm trying to put that. Maybe if there is a difference, like there is a particular portion of yes, there is a particular portion of no in each bar. If it is continuously present, or if it is uniformly present in all the categories, then there is no point. Then we will say there is not much of relation. But if you see inverse, suddenly something different happening in every bar, there is red that is dominating, but in a particular bar there is higher value for green and lower values for red, then you would say that this particular category, when this is primary education, then this is very different compared to the other one. Okay. Similarly, you can draw a bar chart and for all the category versus this variable. Or instead of putting the bar here in the same bar, you change the colors. What you can do is you can put one bar for yes, just beside it, second bar for no. In this one category only, let's say this is segment one. Within segment one, draw one bar for category one, one bar for category two, and then one bar for this class one, which is yes and no. Basically the same thing, side by side bars. Again, you have to tell the same story. Listen to the story that you have to tell. What do you need to tell? In each of these categories, you observe a particular type of pattern. That means blue is a larger bar, slightly smaller bar is orange. If you see the opposite in any of them, you need to highlight that. You say that student segment, I have seen that there are more buyers than the non-buyers, like that. The same thing, some people will say that why do you complicate a lot? The easiest method, category versus category. There is age old method that is followed. Category 1, category 2, category 3, category 1, category 3, category 3. What is it called? Do you remember this? In
Cross.
Excel, cross tab or the pivot table, age old method. Some people say that like unnecessarily complicated, yeah, pivot table, unnecessarily complicated, this much you don't do it. Show me a pivot table, I am happy looking at that. If that is the case, you simply show the cross tab. Okay. You can show direct numbers or you can even show the percentages also. This is the job category. These are number of years. These are number of row. In each category, you will see that when it is admin, higher people did not buy the insurance, lower people. Like in each category, you show that information. The same pattern is repeating. Then there is not much. You will say these two categories are not related. If there is particular 2 3 categories that are showing inverse relation, then you would say yes, there's a relation. Divorce or marital or single, most of them are not buying. Very few people are buying. No relation. So that is the category versus category. What do you show? You can draw a box plot, you can draw bar charts, or you can show the cross tab. Okay. An example that we have to discuss from Roseman stores will be, uh, was there promotion on all days? That means promotion and days. Is there any relation? Do you think you are running promotions a lot on Saturday or Monday or Tuesday? First of all, is your promotion depending on the days or not? Do you want to prove dependence or independence? Can you tell me the result of that? Is my question. Can you quickly check this and tell me whether promotion at all is it related to day? Go ahead, all of you. Promotion, yes, no is a category. Day is also a category. Quickly, we will look at this. This one we here we just understood in this example how to read a category versus category. Direct cross tables also you can create. Yes. The one that I'm interested in is promotion and day of the week. I want you to tell me whether those two are related or not. You can create the cross tab or you can create the simple counter plot. You have to tell me the answer. All of you. I'll wait for you. So you have to tell 2 points. You have to write 2 points in the chat window. If they are related, yes. Then which day has the higher promotions or lower promotions? You can highlight some of the patterns that are against the overall pattern. Yeah. So most of you are saying yes, they are related. Promotion 0, that means there is no promotion on that day. Promotion 1, that means there is some promotion. So day 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On Saturday, not even single promotion. Saturday, Sunday को भाई promotion नहीं मिलेगा. No discount on Saturday, Sunday. Zero, absolutely zero. Can you see that?
Yeah, complete opposite of Indian.
Yeah, like this is staggering. Like thoda to banta hai yaar. It's like if you want to buy, buy. Otherwise, now you understand why there is high sales on Monday. समझ में आ रहा है? Now you
Yes.
understand the story.
Yes.
Yeah. Like Saturday go, there is no promotion. Sunday go, like across the whole Roseman sales. Like, I mean, let us not take the company name. If this video goes to them, they might sue us. But across the whole of this company, there was absolutely no promotion on Saturday. I mean, this is the one that we have to highlight, isn't it? These are the learnings for us. Just by looking at the data from a different point of view, we understood that there was no promotion on Saturday, there was no promotion on Sunday, and rest of the days equal, like the kind of promotions and not promotions, roughly equal types, isn't it? Yeah. The same thing can be also visualized using a pivot table. You can create a pivot table and then color these values. Okay. And then you can highlight a particular color which is darker, basically the same information. You want to show it like a obligated visualization, which is also known as heat map. Whatever we have created as a cross tab here, these numbers, based on the numbers, if you color them, if you put them in a table, color based on the numbers, then that becomes heat map. The higher numbers will be kind of slightly darker, the lower numbers will be slightly lighter in color. Okay. And different type of color coding is there. Okay, you can change something called color map. You can add an option called C map. Let's say I want to highlight this particular part, then I can use a different color. What if I want to attract people, I want to highlight this part in the same graph, but somehow I have a feeling that people are focusing on this one, but my story is around this one. This is what I want to highlight. This is the one that is against the pattern. I have seen that no is higher or S is higher in every place, but where there is a place where this one I want to highlight, but somehow the eyes are not going here. You choose a different color pattern. Okay, different color coding is there. I think 50 different color maps are available for you. You can choose one of them. The other C map is, let's say, yellow, green, blue. Yellow is for the least one, maybe blue is for the highest one. If you want to suppress few places, highlight few places, then you can choose the right C map. You may have to try 2 3 C map. The most widely used one is what? Like, do you know the most widely used one? Green, then amber or orange, and then red, isn't it? I'm not sure whether it is available here. Maybe with a different code it might be available. Then you can highlight this is hot over here and all that. Okay. Heat map is all like something similar to group by also. You can create category versus category using the group by. So this is just the heat map. Just another option to the pivot table. Group by is also Pivot table is both sides group by. You can do single side group by also. These are not really difficult in terms of understanding. Already we know pivot tables and all that. The story that we are trying to make here is how do we apply them on a particular data set and then get the result that we are looking for. Let me give you another challenge. Let us see whether you will be able to fetch that. What is the average sales? What is the average sales when promotion is on, when promotion is off? That is a question that I asked. A simple option will be do the group by and give the result. Or you can complicate it by looking at the heat map and all that also can be done. Okay. This is an easy one. Simply group by promotion. Basically, I want the answer from you. What is the average sales when the promotion is on? What is the average sales when the promotion is off? In fact, not only average, we also drawn already the box plot for this. Which day has the highest average sales and how much is that? Okay, that is the second question. Is there a day where sales is almost same for promotion and no promotion? Now this is a slightly tricky question. Is there a day where sales is almost same and promotion and non-promotion? Basically what happens is when there is a promotion, sales is high and promotion is 1. When promotion is 0, sales is low. What I want to ask you is there a day that is against this pattern? Okay, go ahead. Answer one by one. 1, 2, 3. Write question number, answer. Question number, answer. Question number, answer. Go ahead, all of you. So some of you are giving me the answers. Let me write them down. You're saying when the promotion is 0, which is promotion is off, sales, average sales is 4406. When the promotion is on, average sales is 7991. The simple one is sufficient. I don't think we have to draw anything. Unnecessarily complicating is not a good idea. Go ahead. First one is done. Second one, which day has the highest average sales? Which day? Tell me the day with highest average sales. I think we have already seen it. Apparently that happens to be Monday, which happens to be the average sales is how much? Monday has the average sales of 7,809. Whether it has promotions and all that, we don't care. Like, third question is slightly tricky question that might require a bit of thinking from you. Meanwhile, I'll also execute that. So be ready with the third question answer as well. It has group by promotion, non-promotion. Okay, this one. Tell me. What I want is something against the pattern. Is there a day where sales is almost same for promotion and no promotion? That means whether you give a promotion or not, they don't care. Sales is almost same.
Day 7, sir.
Day 7. So promotion, whether it is 0, what is the sales? Day 7 is
204.
day 204. So when it is 1 also, you got 204, is it? Is there a day where promotion is like whether there's a promotion or no promotion, sales is same? Is this the case?
I think, oh, okay. I think day 7 there was no promotion at all.
So that will not suffice our condition. The question is there a day when when you gave a promotion or no promotion? Basically, these kind of results will help you in business. On this day, if you see that even if you don't give promotion, you are getting the same sales, then in future also you can avoid promotions. You can save a lot of money by doing so.
Sir, day 5 then, sir.
Which happens to be Friday. What are you trying to say
Friday.
on Friday
Sir,
compared to other days? Not necessarily exactly isolation. Compared to other days, you are telling me that on Friday there is a least gap, isn't it?
yes,
Whereas
yes,
on
sir.
other days there is a huge gap. On Monday there is a huge gap. People are like really coming to stores only when there is a promotion. On Friday, I think comparatively lesser gap is there. Friday is the one that you have to highlight. Now, if Friday is getting highlighted here in the heat map, well and good. If you think it is not highlighting, here I have given you some of the options. Try one or two options. If you have found a better option than this, let me know. Basically, the day that should appear should be 5 when you see this graph. How do you make that to be highlighted? Friday has to be the one that need to be highlighted. Okay, try 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 different color map options and try to highlight that particular Friday. Maybe these are the extreme values, these are the ones that are in the middle. Try 1 or 2 ones and then try to highlight the story that you want to uh, tell using this graph. Maybe this Friday, or like even this is not good. Yeah. Try 1 or 2. Since this is dinner time, we will give it up after trying 4 5. We will tell ourselves like tomorrow we'll try and all that, you know.